Samruddhi, and I will request Mark to open this in front of all of us. This is the special gesture from Pawar family.
And we request Mark sir to please open it right away on the stage. Yeah. What a wonderful sketch. You can show it to everyone.
Where is the camera? Yes.
And sir, you can tell us.
Thank you very much. I'm very surprised about this sketch. Very good drawing. I know more than 10 years with Womack, and this never happened to me. That someone is drawing such a nice painting for me, or any painting. I can say that I'm very proud of this. This will get a very special place. And thanks all for coming to this lovely event. Organized. More than proud of this company. More than proud with all these colleagues. We formed a very nice team in the last year. And however, it's only 1 year. We challenged already so many topics, and all with so much success. I hope all the best for this nice company. And however, I will leave in 2 months. So then I leave it more than 2 years in India. I'm very sure that I will come back, and I hope that in some years this company will be much bigger than today. Thank you.
Thank you so much sir. And I request Navnath sir to also say something. आपको भी बोलना है थोड़ा.
Mark says in the English, but yes, we are from Maharashtra, so I speak in the Marathi. मला जवळपास 1 वर्ष झाले. यस, एप्रिलमध्ये मी जॉईन केलं होतं. त्यावेळेला शीतल मॅडम, विनोद, छोटीशी टीम होती, पण नंतर आता ऑलमोस्ट 50 लोकांच्यावर आमची टीम झालेली आहे. मी जॉईन झाल्यानंतर मार्क आणि काही लोक होते, पण आता नवीन आमच्याकडे जनरल मॅनेजर पण आले. 1 वर्षामध्ये सगळ्यात इम्पॉर्टंट म्हणजे आम्ही शून्यापासून स्टार्ट केलेलं आहे सगळं. आणि रिसेंटली आम्ही 100 मशीन्स ऑल्सो प्रोड्यूस केल्या. ते पण सेलिब्रेशन गेल्या वीकमध्ये झालं. हे स्केचबद्दल बोलायचं झालं तर जस्ट माझ्या मुलीला विचारलं की तुला काय करायचं का, तर ती ड्रॉइंगमध्ये जनरली करत असते. मला विचारलं, मी तिला फोटो पाठवला तर ॲज इट इज स्केच बनवला. ओके, माझ्या डोक्यात आलं की हां ठीक आहे बनव. पण ओव्हरऑल थँक्यू टू एंटायर मॅनेजमेंट ऑफ द वोमॅक, मार्क, सुनील सर, शीतल अँड संग्राम. We are here to take care of every employee's family, every employee. So family, don't worry. We are working as a team, and we will